Hello kids, let us learn how to draw and color these shapes. But first, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Let us know about the color names. This is blue color, green, yellow, sky blue, purple, orange, pink, light green, red, brown. Let us draw the shape. This is cross. It looks like addition symbol. This is cross. This is cube. 3D shape. It has 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. It is heart. This shape is heart. This is rhombus. This is rhombus. It is a 2D shape. It has length and breadth. 4 sides, 4 vertices. This is smiley. This is smiley. It is a emoji. This is smiley emoji. This is frame. Rectangular frame. Rectangle in shape. That's why it is rectangular frame. This is rectangular frame. It is rectangle in shape, so it is rectangular frame. Let us color the shapes. This is light green. And this is cross. This is cross. Red color. This is cube. It is 3D shape. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. It is a 3D shape and it can slide. It can slide. Ice cubes and ice looks like cube. This is sky blue and this shape is heart. Sky blue color and shape is heart. Pink color. This is rhombus. This is rhombus. It is 2D shape. 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices. It is also called diamond. This is blue color. This is emoji. It is a smiley emoji. Smiley emoji. Brown color. This is frame. It is a rectangular frame. It is rectangle in shape. It is rectangular frame. Cross, cube, heart, rhombus, smiley emoji, rectangular frame. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.